Hello everyone. Today we're going to be covering the manual booster uh, attitude control. There are several points in the flight in which you can assume manual control over the booster, although in sort of separate manners. Um, you can take control of the S2 and S4B during ascent, but not the S1C, and that is only if the launch vehicle guidance light is on, signaling a failure of the instrument unit. If the light is not on, manual control cannot be assumed during ascent. However, at any time, you are able to assume manual control over the booster attitude when it is not in the middle of a burn. And the interesting thing about that is that it does not route through the SCS. It only routes through the computer. So there is no way to control the S4B if both the instrument unit and your computer dies. It is just
Apollo 7 Houston through Carnarvon.
done through
You
the
will not
CMC.
need a state vector update, and you'll go for your S4B takeover.
But taking over the S4B attitude is very, very simple.
And 7, after you get through with your S4B control test there, let me know when you arm your logic, and we'll take a look at it and give you a go for Pyro Arm.
Taking over S4B attitude is very simple, and it routes through the apps from the computer to the apps in the booster. The first thing you want to do is just ensure that your digital autopilot is set. A 3 is required in the first row, as that will be the CSM and S4B configuration. So let's say it wasn't. Verb 21 or verb 24 to modify both rows if you need to. 3, 1, 1, 0, 2. Enter. And then we're just going to leave it 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Enter. Pro, pro, pro. And then verb 46 to activate that. And now you'll take the launch vehicle guidance to CMC and spacecraft control to CMC. And now you have manual attitude control of the booster. We'll go ahead and verify attitude control. Just time skip a little bit to where part where we're supposed to verify. And we can see up, down, left, right. We can even do some roll if we want to. See? Boop, 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 boop. And we've got it. So with this test, I'll just do the whole test because it's kind of cool. With this test, it'll be pitch down for 3 seconds. Or for 3 degrees. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to center everything out and hold attitude. And that's going to last for 40 seconds. And you'll notice that the booster here, it operates on Excel command. If we go CMC hold, I'm curious if it will actually operate on rate command. Let's try it. Now pitch up for 12 degrees. And nope, it is also Excel command. So that answers that. I mean, it is kind of rate command, but it doesn't bring it all the way down. Now roll left for 5 degrees. There's 5 degrees. Center. Hold for 10. Roll right 5 degrees. Center. Yeah, it's kind of a cool test, you know? Okay, yawing left for 3 degrees. Stop. And center.
And Apollo 7
Yawing
Houston,
right for 3 degrees.
you should be wrapping up your S4B takeover demonstration test about now. If you could give me logic 1 and 2 on, we'll have a look at it and give you a go for the pyro arm. And after Carnarvon
Center.
here, which we'll lose in about 2 minutes, we're going to do some remoting through Araya to get to complete this DTO.
And that completes it. To end S4B manual control, simply take your launch vehicle guidance
Okay,
switch,
Apollo 7,
set it
you
to
are
IU.
go for pyro arm.
Then set spacecraft control to SCS. And that will complete the manual attitude takeover demonstration. Thank you very much.